Here we are today. I'm down at Parkcore in Port Melbourne, and we are doing a demonstration on how the Aquapea can fix a leak on the Water Authority side. Predominantly Aquapea has been used on internally and flows with the water from the water meter in. We've now made a way how it can go back against the main pressure and fix the leak on the connection side. So come and have a look. This is the water main and the connection, what's going into the property. And as you can see here, we've got a leak and recreating a leak, and we are going to fix this leak using an Aquapea. I've already disconnected the water meter. So this is the water, what's going into the property. And I've connected up the Aquapea kit. This is the standard Aquapea kit, so you can utilize the existing kit. And then what we've made is a pump set up that can then use to pump back, and we create a differential in the pressure in the pipe. We've built this using a Milwaukee battery and Milwaukee fittings. This can be adapted to an AEG battery, DeWalt battery, or any battery that you might have. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to fix the leak. So I'll turn on the water, and then I'm making sure our water drum is full. So what I am going to do is check the pressure and check how much the leak is by utilizing the pump and seeing how much we are actually losing. Then we pick what size Aquapea we will use. So now we have ascertained the size of the leak by using the flow meter that is in the Aquapea Connect Kit. I will proceed to mix a P and insert the P. So once the colour is consistent throughout the P, then you know it is mixed. Insert the specific ball size of P. I will drain the water out of the line. Put the P in. Okay, once the P is inserted, I'm going to turn on the pump and we should see the P go into place. The P has successfully sealed this leak and the leak is fixed. Well, one objective we do have is trying to save water, and using the P to save water and water consumption and water waste is a very, very important topic. And the P has sealed a leak. In some cases where it doesn't 100% seal a leak, it will reduce the amount of water what is being lost, and also potentially gain us some time in being able to then do a permanent repair. If this repair was needed under a busy road or a busy thoroughfare, and we reduce the water loss by half, then we've gained ourselves some time. So as you can see here, the leak is fixed and repaired. So another successful job completed with using some trenchless technology and some of the latest innovation.